How do you do? Welcome to my 2024 reading wrap up. At the start of this year, I had set a goal of reading 20 books for myself, and I'm very proud to announce, drum roll, I have achieved that mark. But in the name of transparency, I must also tell you that there was this book that had two short stories, and I've treated each short story as one book to reach that soul satisfying 20th mark. एंड मुझे शर्म नहीं आ रही है बिकॉज आई मेक माई ओन रूल्स. सो मैंने 20 किताबें पढ़ी है इस साल. एनी हाउ आई एम गोना डू दिस रैप अप इन टू पार्ट्स. द फर्स्ट पार्ट आई टॉक अबाउट द फेलियर्स ऑफ 2024 in terms of reading. Let's start with the Insta famous Good Material by Dolly Alderton. I have reviewed it previously. The link for the YouTube video is also available in my bio. I absolutely hated this book. I don't know why. It just didn't work for me, and I don't want to spend a lot of time on this one because it doesn't deserve it. Secondly, Writers and Lovers. It wasn't more so of a failure, but it ended up being a surprise because halfway through the book, I felt like, theek hai, kya hi hai. I wasn't really enjoying it much. But the last 40-45 pages really surprised me. They were so high on emotion. They were very heartwarming, very motivating, all in one. I absolutely ended up enjoying this book because of the last 40-45 pages. I also tried reading the Insta famous The Spanish Love Deception, and I realized why I don't go for Instagram famous books, because this book sucked ass, like I've already talked about in one of my previous reels. I started The Lonely City by Olivia Rand, but I couldn't finish it because it's a heavy read. Hopefully I'll finish it in 2025, but it's a really good read. I mean, I'm really enjoying till now whatever I've read. I am also reading Ways of Seeing right now by John Berger. It's a very recent read that has just started off. So I think 2025, I'll finish off this one also. It's a collection of, I think, 7 essays on visual media and all of that. So really enjoying that. To meet my favorite books, all the books that I enjoyed more than the other books from among the 20 books that I read this year. Let me first take up this book, which is called Heretics: The Wondrous and Dangerous Beginnings of Modern Philosophy by Stephen and Ben Nadler. This is a graphic novel, and it takes up various modern philosophies. It takes up John Locke, Newton, Descartes, all of that through graphics. Extremely interesting. I mean, it doesn't do a deep dive into all of these theories, but you do get like a basic understanding of them, and I really enjoyed reading this one. Second up is Pinjar by Amrita Pritam. I read it in Hindi only, and it was so engrossing. It's so beautifully written. It is so poetically written. I mean, I could feel the trauma in my bones. I cried while reading this book. Next up comes the Japanese translations of Days at the Morisaki Bookshop. More Days at the Morisaki Bookshop. I enjoyed More Days at the Morisaki Bookshop more than Days at the Morisaki Bookshop, and I've reviewed them both. And I really think that you should enjoy them. They are extremely easygoing, beautifully written. They will turn you into a reader if you aren't already one. Next up is Travels with My Aunts. It was a small press read. It's a collection of short stories. Very fun to read. I absolutely love this book. It was a random buy at the bookshop Jorbag, and I'm glad that I picked this one up. Next up, How to Kill Your Family. I've already reviewed it. Thoroughly enjoyed this one. Nawab Nudes and Noodles. It is a non-fiction book on advertising, 1990s ki advertising. Very nostalgic read on all of the ads that I've grown up watching. Next up is Lost on Me. This is a book that I'm currently reading, but I am also taking it up as a book that I've finished in 2024 because only 30-35 pages are left, and I think I'll be able to finish it within this year. That's that for the 2024 wrap up. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you pick up these books, you read them. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you in 2025. Till then, toodles!